ASO isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process, and your most powerful source of insight, your users. In this lesson, we'll break down how to turn user feedback into your ASO fuel, driving smarter updates, better messaging, and higher rankings. Why user feedback is gold. User feedback reveals what even your best tools can't. What users expect but don't see. What features matter most. What causes friction, churn, or delight. How people actually describe your app, aka keyword gold. Platforms like App Store reviews, Play Store reviews, customer support tickets, and community forums are filled with insights. The key is knowing how to spot patterns and act on them. Step 1. Analyze your reviews regularly. Use sentiment analysis or ASO tools with review mining capabilities to monitor keywords, trends, and sentiment in your reviews. Look for frequently mentioned pain points. Top praise features. Common language users use to describe your app. Group feedback into themes, onboarding, UX, performance, feature requests, bugs, etc. This helps prioritize what matters most to real users and what's hurting your ratings. Step 2. Use review language in your metadata. Want your app to rank higher in search? Start speaking the language your users use. If your reviews say, "I use this for quick budgeting," consider phrases like fast budgeting or quick money tracking in your subtitle or description. Users describe your value better than marketers. Listen, then mirror that language in your ASO content. Step 3. Let feedback shape product decisions. If 30 reviews complain about the same onboarding flow or crash, that's not just a support issue, it's an ASO issue. Poor retention and negative sentiment hurt discoverability. Fixing the product experience improves ratings, increases retention, and drives organic growth. Make ASO and product teams talk to each other. This is where the magic happens. Step 4. Close the feedback loop in your updates. When you release an update that addresses user feedback, say so in your update notes and review replies. Thanks to your feedback, we improved load time by 40%. This shows you're listening and encourages more users to leave helpful feedback. Step 5. A/B test what you learn. If reviews say, "It took me a while to understand how this works," test a new first screenshot or subtitle that makes the benefit clearer. If users love your habit tracker but ignore your journal feature, reorder your screenshots to match what they value most. Let reviews guide your experiments and validate what's working. Final thought. User feedback isn't noise, it's a roadmap. When you treat your users as partners and their words as data, you turn complaints into conversion wins, confusion into clarity, installs into loyalty. Iterative ASO isn't just optimization, it's evolution. In the next lesson, we'll talk about building an ASO growth flywheel, how to scale your wins and systemize your success. But first, go read 20 of your latest reviews. What are they trying to tell you?